Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Katie. I'm your friendly skincare fanatic. So if you're skin obsessed like me, then please hit the subscribe button down below. It really does mean the world to have you with me. In today's video, very excited, I'm going to be showing you what's in the Net-a-Porter's beauty box. It's a doctor's beauty box. Received it just now, so let's get into it. Let's just open it up. Literally just got this. I saw this on Planning with Crystal because she is like the queen when it comes to subscription boxes of all kinds, not just beauty and skincare. There's like an espresso, there's book clubs, there's loads of things. So, and planners as well. Here it is, and here is the little kit. So this is how you get it in a clear case, which is great for traveling, although we're not doing any of that at the moment, but we will. And it is the Doctor's Beauty Kit. So that's what I ordered. The products are there's over £600 worth of products inside, and I paid £85, and then there was a £5 shipping fee, so £90. The reason why I got super excited about this is because it includes a Dr. Barbara Sturm product. That in itself is like £160. I thought this is just a no-brainer for me. And also it's got the Dr. Dennis Gross Hyaluronic Melt Away Cleanser, which again I've been really keen to try. So it's all in here. So let's open it up. And the first thing that you get are the 1-1 Skin Depuffing Energy Facial Mask. So you have one of those and 1-1 Skin Depuffing Eye Mask. Okay, so Barbara Sturm Calming Serum. It's 30ml. It's £175 for 30ml. And it says it's deeply hydrating while soothing any irritation from stress, pollution and travel. This pampering serum will leave the skin glowing. So I'm really keen to try that. In terms of ingredients, sunflower extract, balloon vine, pulsane extract, sweet almond oil, glycerin and panthenol. So some really nice ingredients there, and I can't wait to try that. The second product that I'm super interested to try is the Dr. Dennis Gross Melt Away Cleanser. So this is full size. So it's 150ml. It just says lifts all makeup and daily dirt without stripping skin, leaving it deeply clean and comfortable. So it's got hyaluronic acid in this, which is an active ingredient, which is really good for if you have dehydrated skin. So it says it's loaded with hyaluronic acid, sea grapes, kiwi and aloe. It's hydrating, lightweight, melts away the daily impurities and even stubborn makeup. So very interested to try that. So I'll just show you a little bit now. So it's a nice consistency just there. Oh, it's very light, very light and not too balmy. Oh, it's a little bit fresh scent. That's what I can smell. Kiwi. I can smell the kiwi. So that is Dr. Dennis Gross. Dr. Sebar Pure Vitamin C Powder Cream. Pure and highly concentrated powder melts into skin, boosting collagen and brighten the complex. So I think you only get one of the kind of pellets, which I'll just show you. So you get one of a little pellet, and it says tap a little pure vitamin C powder cream into cupped palm and mix with a moisturizer. Obviously it says Dr. Sebar moisturizer. Alternatively, mix with the serums of your choice for a bespoke treatment. The soft pressure of your fingertips will turn the powder into a light, quickly absorbed cream. Apply to your face and neck. Pure vitamin C can also be applied directly to brown spots. So interested to try that one. Next up we have a day shield, daily AM and PM UV shield by Decree. It's by Dr. AJ Sturm. It's a spray that provides an invisible shield of antioxidants plus mineral UV filters and protects against photoaging and environmental damage. I've never tried a UV spray before, so this is a first for me. Okay, so next one is MZ Skin Depuff and Define Contouring Eye Rescue. Cream brightens dark circles and firms the whole eye area. So this is £95 for this eye cream. It's 15ml. So this is the full size version. I'll be really interested to try that as well, just because I never seem to get any results with eye creams. So this is a high performance neck and decolletage treatment. Now, I never really use a treatment specifically for the neck. I tend to just use my whatever I'm using on my face and use it over my neck and my decolletage area. I have started to notice a few deeper lines on my neck, and especially when I wake up, because I'm a side sleeper. So when I wake up of a morning, I have lots of creases all over my decolletage area. So this I think I need right now. McCrean Active's neck cream is £156, so that is very, very expensive. So the whole point of this kit is obviously it's a doctor's kit. So it's all inspired by plastic surgeons and dermatologists. So they see results, they treat patients, they perform quite invasive procedures. And I'm sure these products, if they're by, you know, doctors and dermatologists, they must use them themselves. So that's what appealed to me. So Royal Fern Photoactive Antioxidant Ampules. So you get 15ml. So here we are. So you get these ampules like this. And as Crystal clearly pointed out when I watched this video, but by that time the damage had already been done and I'd already bought the box, the second ingredient is alcohol denant. Don't think I'm going to be using these. It's really quite bad. It does say it's vegan, silicone, paraben and mineral oil free. But the second, yeah, that's quite concerning and quite annoying. However, I've got so many other products to try that I can get over that, but I don't think I'll be putting that on my skin anytime soon. That is it. You get your little Net-a-Porter, case as well, travel case. So yeah, I am very, very excited to try these products. I'm slowly going to be trying these because my skin does react quite quickly when I change up my products, and also I have been using tretinoin recently with my Dermatica prescription, so my skin is super dry and very, very sensitive at the moment because I've been on that for a month, and I'll be doing a video all about that later on. So I will be testing these out throughout the next few months, so once I do I will let you guys know. But if you have tried any of these products, let me know in the comments below. I'll leave the box to Net-a-Porter links below, and also Planning with Crystal, her channel, because this is the whole reason why I have this box, is because I watched her video. So yeah, if it weren't for her, I wouldn't have bought this box and I wouldn't be doing this video. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed. Let me know if you've used any of these products, and I'll see you on the next This Mummy Knows.